What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we're talking about the king of the market, Bitcoin, currently trading above $20,000. In this video I'll be showing you 5 indicators that are flashing why you need to buy Bitcoin right now. These indicators have told us where Bitcoin has bottomed in the past. Right now they're actually flashing. This is the best time to buy Bitcoin if you want to see gains in the future. We'll be looking at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart. We'll also be looking at some other indicators that are flashing why we need to buy Bitcoin. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, Bitcoin is currently trading above $20,000. There's a lot of fear in the crypto market. The market is gripped with extreme fear, recession fears, inflation fears. People are calling for Bitcoin to go lower than 17,600. Now, in my experience in the crypto market, the best time to buy Bitcoin is when people are saying Bitcoin is dead, Bitcoin is going to lower than where it is right now. Bitcoin topped around $69,000 in November 2021, and since then Bitcoin has been dumping and it came to as low as $17,000 in June 2022. Now, a lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to go lower than that, but the first indicator we're going to look at is the pi cycle bottom indicator. This indicator has accurately predicted the previous Bitcoin bottom, and right here it predicted the bottom in 2015 January. A lot of people thought Bitcoin was going lower. What happened? That proved to be the bottom. In 2018, it predicted the Bitcoin cycle bottom. A lot of people expected us to go lower. People are calling for $1,000 Bitcoin going to the previous all-time high. But guess what happened? That bottom actually held. Now in 2022, the pi cycle bottom indicator is actually telling us if you want to be profitable in future, you want to be buying some Bitcoin right now, because guys, the last time this indicator printed that the bottom was in, if you bought Bitcoin then, you got more than a 10,000% return on investment. The next time you printed the bottom was in, that was in 2018. If you bought Bitcoin and you held to the end of the cycle, you got more than a 1,900% increase on your investment. Right now, it's printing the bottom is in. If we are going to get just a 600% increase in the price of Bitcoin, guys, we might see Bitcoin going to over $100,000 at some point in time in the future. Now, another important indicator you want to watch out for that's been telling us that maybe, just maybe, you want to be buying some Bitcoin right now, and maybe the bear market bottom is already in at 17,600 is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index for Bitcoin. Now, if you take a look at Bitcoin RSI on a weekly time frame, you can see that when it got to this 29.3 region, that's when the bottom was in 2015. When we got to that same region again in 2018, the bottom was in for Bitcoin. And guys, it's not a huge coincidence that when we're getting to that region and the pi cycle bottom indicator is printing the bottom is in, that's when the RSI is getting to that region. And guess what? In 2022, the pi cycle bottom indicator has printed the bottom is in, and guess what? Bitcoin RSI on the weekly time frame has gone to that same region. The last 3 times it has happened in history, what happened? That was a good buying opportunity. Will this time be different? And in investment and in every other actions of life, a lot of people say this time is different, this time is different. But guys, I don't believe this time is different. I believe human beings are the same, and the chart represents our feelings and our greed, our fear. And right now, a lot of people are fearful in the market. I myself am already accumulating some Bitcoin. At the point of recording this video, Bitcoin is trading above $20,000. Even though Bitcoin is down 53% in the last 1 year, it's up 7.1% in the last 1 day, and the last 1 week is up 4.41%. Another indicator that is telling us maybe, just maybe, you want to be buying Bitcoin right now is the Bitcoin Investor Tool. Now, this indicator, anytime it prints, you should buy Bitcoin. If you buy Bitcoin and you hold it after 2 years, guess what? You'll be in profit. The first time the indicator printed for us to buy Bitcoin was in 2011, and the price of Bitcoin was around $3 then. If you bought Bitcoin, guys, guess what? You would have been profitable in 2013 and 2014 because Bitcoin was going for more than $1,000. Now, the next time it printed, maybe, just maybe, you want to be buying some Bitcoin. The price of Bitcoin was around $305. 2 years after that, Bitcoin was trading around $17,000. Now in 2018, that same indicator printed this is the right time to start buying Bitcoin. Bitcoin was trading below $4,000, and guess what, guys? Less than 2 years after that, if you had bought some Bitcoin, you would have been selling your Bitcoin above $10,000, even as high as $50,000. Right now, it's telling us that maybe, just maybe, you want to be getting some Bitcoin. We're back to this growing region, and you can see that Bitcoin is trading below 20,000. It even went to as low as 17,600. So will this time be different? This indicator has been accurate the last 3 bear markets. Will it be wrong the 4th time? Only time will tell. You have to make that decision for yourself. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. Another indicator we want to watch out for is the MVRV score. The last time it has printed a value of 0, guess what happened? That was the bottom of the bear market. In 2011, when it got to this level, that was the bottom of the bear market. In 2015, when it was below 0, bottom of the bear market again. In 2018, when it came to this level again, guess what, guys? Bear market bottom. Even the COVID sell-off was a good buying opportunity. The MVRV score came back to this buying opportunity, the green region, and that was a good buying opportunity. And right now, we're down in that region. Bitcoin is trading below $20,000. Sentiment in the market is garbage. People are calling for Bitcoin to go lower. We're back at that region. So you want to pay attention to all these charts. They have accurately predicted the bottom of the previous Bitcoin bear market cycle. A quick recap of the charts we have looked at. We have looked at the pi cycle indicator. It told us that maybe, just maybe, the bottom is in. Bitcoin RSI on the weekly time frame is showing signs of what usually happens at the bottom. We'll take a look at Bitcoin investor tool. It's telling us that if you want to be a long-term investor, if you see yourself holding Bitcoin in the next 2 years and you want to be profitable, this looks like a good time to start accumulating some Bitcoin. And the MVRV score is telling us that we're in the region of great opportunity. Now, this MVRV score is a Bitcoin chart that uses blockchain analysis to identify periods where Bitcoin is extremely overvalued or undervalued relative to its fair value. Right now, the chart is telling us that Bitcoin is undervalued, and you want to be paying attention to this chart. If you take a look at the last chart, we'll be looking at the Powell multiple. Now, anytime the Powell multiple comes to this green region, you want to be buying some Bitcoin. In 2011, that was the bottom of the bear market. In 2015, the same bottom of the bear market. In 2018, that was the bottom of the bear market. Even when it came to that region in 2020 and 2021, those were good buying opportunities, because if you bought when it came to this region, you would have been in profit in the future. Right now, we're currently at that region. Do you think this time will be different? The metrics looks at the supply side of Bitcoin economy, Bitcoin miners, and the revenue. It explores market cycle from a mining revenue perspective. Bitcoin miners are sometimes referred to as compulsory sellers due to their need to cover fixed cost of mining hardware in a market where price is extremely volatile. The revenue they generate can therefore influence price over time. Guys, do you think the bear market bottom is in? Another indicator you want to watch out for, even though this has not told us, maybe, just maybe, Bitcoin will start pumping in the near future, is the US dollar currency index. History has shown that anytime the dollar turns on itself and start dumping, we're going to see mad rise in the price of Bitcoin. Look at what happened in 2020 after that COVID sell-off, when Bitcoin was trading for around $4,000. The dollar dumped more than 12%, and Bitcoin went on a monster run from as low as $5,000 to as high as $69,000. Since when Bitcoin bull market ended around January 2021, that's where the big sellers stopped selling their Bitcoin. We've been seeing the dollar rise since then, and guys, the dollar is up more than 27% since the 1st of January 2021. At some point in time in the future, the dollar is going to turn on itself, and we're going to see Bitcoin pumping to new highs. So you have to make that decision for yourself. All these indicators and charts are telling us that if you want to be profitable in the future holding some Bitcoin, this looks like a very good time to start buying some Bitcoin. Will you be buying more Bitcoin right now, or are you expecting lower prices? I want you to drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.